Hi everyone, Dorota International nail artist and educator here, and today we are gonna play with some transfer foils. I love that quick and easy way to create amazing nails. Have a preview of it in here. I love the stick and I hope you will really love it too, so let's start. Guys, so much fun to play with those ghosts. They are gonna be a friendly versions and I will show you how to achieve this look. So I've got my tips in here, and what you need is the transfer foil gel glue. It is actually fantastic. So what we are gonna do is just place a scoop of it on our mixing plate and then start painting first ghost. So you can go straight away with the large brush from the bottle and paint some parts with this large brush, just for a quickness. Okay, then using the D-liner brush, and I've got a tiny bit, actually I'm gonna grab it even more, this is gonna be so much easier. So the black foil gel, and I'm actually just gonna do some stuff with it as well, so it's kind of stain my clear gel so you can see it, what I'm painting. Okay, so we're doing a nice ghost, and here, there we are. Will be easier for you to see it. And then just color it in with our transfer gel glue. So the black is just a stain, so you can see it kind of shape which we have created. Okay, let's cook it. 30 seconds cure is just perfect. Here we are gonna play with another ghost. Really kind of fast. Let's make his head a little bit bigger. And cure it. Okay, the first one should be ready. So we are gonna grab, oh, let's do maybe the rose gold transfer foil. Okay, thank you, cameraman. You always search those scissors for me. And then let's transfer it. So you place your transfer foil. That was so easy, too easy. And then you kind of want to massage it into the design, just so it sticks everywhere. Okay, we've got the first one ready. Let's do the second one. So the second one, for a change, I want to go with some gold. Massage this in. And then you've got a nice, beautiful gold ghost. Another one. So this one, I want to add some hands to it. Honestly, it's so fast to paint it. and then cure it. And on the last one, we can go maybe upside down. Then distribute the transfer foil glue. Actually, the idea to put a tiny bit of the black is so much better for you guys, because if I'm painting with something which is clear, you cannot absolutely see it. And then add some hands as well in here. Cure it. Each time I'm cooking it for 30 seconds. So for this one, I'm gonna go maybe another gold. You could do it in silver. Actually, I should do it in silver. Oh. Transfer it in and then pull it. No, this one is cool. I like this one so much. And then on this one, I'm gonna use some plain gold for a change.
No silver.
No silver. I have silver, but now, okay, let's do silver. Okay, let's do silver. Cameraman wants a silver one. I've got lots of different ones. Oh no, now I want to do more of them. Guys, I want to do more of those ghosts. I've got so many different transfer foils which we could use. I could play probably all day now. Yeah, the silver one. The silver one is cool. Okay, let's start decorating them. Maybe tiny bit transfer more in here. So I'm going back to my D-liner brush. Now straight away into the, oh, this one was upside down. Straight away into the black, and now we are going to paint nice faces. I don't want them to be too scary, so kind of cute ones, more of a cute ghosts. Okay, cure it. Then on this one we can go, let's maybe this one, make him a nice smiley face. Cute eyes. Oh, that's a cute one. On this one, we will go that shape. And on that one, oh, this one can actually have it. This one can have it. Those sort of face. Whoops. and a nose as well. Next step is we want to grab some white dotting tool, and we are just gonna do some white detail. Inside their eyes. This one doesn't need the detail, so we can just straight away apply the top coat. So easy and so quick and so much fun. Like I do really want to test all the transfer foils I've got now. This one, we can give it a red tone to it. So let me grab my red. Guys, we had no time to tidy up my desk yet. And I'm like dropping everything. The dog is playing on the side. Oh gosh, Lucky, stop it. So this one is gonna have a red tongue. That's a cute one, like really cute one. This one needs some white. Nice and sparkly eyes. This one needs some white as well. Oh, that's the Halloween one. Okay, and then let's cook them. Okay, grab this one. Top coat over it. That one. I love this one. I think this one is my favorite one because of this tongue. Honestly, yes, it's definitely.
So happy.
Yeah, very happy ghost. And I was happy to play with these designs as well. Very easy, simple ones. Then another one. Is it? No, top coated. And then I can show you all of them together. If you do create your ghosts as well, you can post them on our Facebook group, because I will be happy to see it, what kind of ideas you came up with. I think it will be awesome. Okay, this one is ready, so let me just place it here. And I can put him there. No, let's do it here. Okay, this one goes there. The next one is this one. It can go here. I cannot touch them too much because I'm kind of undercooking my products. My favorite one goes here. I love this one. It's definitely my favorite one. And then the silver one. The one which is just upside down. So that's the ghost which we have created, and I think they are super cool, the way they look. I wanted to try different colors of the transfer foils. You can do that, guys, for me as well, because I am very curious, like how they will look in different colors. Sending you huge glittery hugs, and bye for now.